Hey guys, what's going on? Finally I got my April Pro Wrestling Loot mystery box for wrestling. Comes with one t-shirt, autograph photo, sometimes socks, sometimes a pin, all different things. You get like 6 or 7 items. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got. These come out every month. Alright, let's see what the first thing we have. It's Virgil, the superstar buddy. Virgil. You hope they'd come up with something better than that. Let's see what else. I got the pin. Collector's pin. I have no idea who that is. No idea. Okay, we'll do the t-shirt. Hopefully it's a good one. It's black, extra large. I know that. Oh, PG-13. That's from the, I think, early 90s or late 80s. Alright. That's okay, I guess. Let's see what else we got. Okay. So who is this? Oh, Demolition. Axe and Smash. He was also the Masked Superstar in WWF. And one of the Machines. Yeah, I think he was Repo Man and a couple other guys too, but there you go. I think the autograph is next. And that's, I have no idea who that is. No idea. He probably wrestles for AEW. That's it. There is no cheat sheet, so I can't really go through everything and make sure I have the right things, but if you see anything you like, check out my eBay store, which will be on the bottom of the video, or my email directly. That's on me on the bottom too, and you can buy something like that too if you don't want to go through eBay. But all this stuff will be on eBay, and thanks for watching. Like this video, share the video, hit all of the icons. I would appreciate it. All right, see you next time.